Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by inspecting the dart closely. The foam, tip, and seam. Once done, remove any debris from the tip opening with a toothpick so glue bonds cleanly. Next, use pliers to gently lift a deformed tip or cut a jagged edge. You want clean surfaces. Make sure to have super glue or a hot melt handy. Choose quick-setting glue for small tears. You're preparing the dart for repair so adhesive and alignment will be effective when you start reattaching parts. You now perform the core repair, glue and alignment. First, squeeze a very small bead of glue into the split. Too much soaks foam and stiffens it. Once applied, press the foam seam or tip halves together and hold steady for 10 to 20 seconds, supporting the shape with a cloth or clamp if needed. If the tip is missing, trim a spare tip to the correct diameter and glue it in place. Ensure concentric alignment so the dart flies straight. Let it set before testing. You finish by restoring shape and validating performance. Once glue is cured, warm the foam lightly with a hair dryer held 6 to 8 inches away. Reshape by hand so the foam regains a round profile. After cooling, test fire the dart 3 times at short range while watching for wobble or detachment. If flight remains unstable, recheck the tip bonding and seam alignment, reapply adhesive or replace the tip. Troubleshooting tip. If wobble continues, compare to a known good.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.